Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick guide I'll show you how to change your password on n8n in just a few steps. Let's get into it. First, log into your n8n dashboard, then look to the bottom left corner and click on the three dots next to your name, and from the drop down menu select settings. Inside the settings panel, under the personal section, click on change password. Now you'll need to enter your current password in the first field and then type in the new password you want to use. Re-enter your new password to confirm it, and once all the fields are filled, click on change password to save your changes. And that's it guys, your password has now been successfully updated. Always make sure your new password is strong and unique to keep your account secure. And guys, if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching.